All right, you guys, this is my last trade of the week. Beautiful, beautiful week. But let me show you guys this trade, and then I'll talk to you. See, it's just going into profit. I have 4 positions on this one right here. You can see 4 open positions. But this is the new booster that I brought out today that you guys will definitely love. Okay, so as you can see, this is my positions right here. I got 4 positions, and by the way, you can see the date in between here a bit. Let me see if I can shrink this a bit so you guys can see it. I guess not that way. Let me move this down. Okay, there we go. Whoa, I had it right there. Okay, you can see it's 4/8. It's 4/8/2021. So please go back and check your charts. I'm on the Euro, JPY, US 30. I brought out our new trading tool that we added. Now, there are ones that look similar, but it's not built the same way. So anyway, how we got this new tool to work is basically at a glance before I even take trades. And this is going to help you to confirm your trades before jumping in them. So before I even look at a trade, I want to know who's in control, institutional wise. And this gives me a glance into what's going on. It's telling me currently, for the current time, that who's in charge. And you can literally see sellers are primarily dominating the market. So that tells me, what do I need to be doing? Do I need to be buying? No, I need to be doing what? Selling. So next, I got my simplicity system, arrow, I'll go trend line. See, red here, and this comes with it as well. So when you purchase this indicator and this indicator is called the 2EZ trading system. And it can be applied to any trading system that you have, and I'll show you that momentarily. But bottom line, I'm getting a glimpse into what's going on. I've actually just had a phenomenal trading week, and so this would be the last one I'm showing you guys. So basically, everything is lining up. We have red here, red, and this is below the momentum line that we set for how we trade. Okay, so everything is lined up. I just simply have to wait it out and come back in a couple hours. Let me go and show you something. So this is how it looks when you purchase it, if you don't have the simplicity system. And of course, you can add any moving averages that you want, totally up to you. On this setup right here, I have the 50 and the 100. And so how you could look at it is, first of all, you need to be selling. So, and once you know that, you can, again, use any setup, market maker's method, whatever you have, that's fine. But it's telling me right now I need to be in a sale position. And so how I use this, you can use the 50 and the 100. So once the 50 crosses below the 100, as you can see, the white line is the 50, the yellow is the 100. See how the 50 crossed below the 100? And then this was red. And then at the point of entry, you just want the momentum line to be below the red or the 100. Okay. This system right here, and again, it's non-repaint, 100% non-repaint. You can get this for just 99 bucks. So we trying to create a way for everybody to have an opportunity. Now, what's a better tool? Okay. That's using it with the simplicity system. Okay. Because simplicity system, now you have even more confirmation of what's going on. And when you understand our strategy, why I chose this trade, oh my God. But even still, you can glance at this. I mean, at a glance, you see this thing is just, from the 15 minutes, looks sexy. 30-minute, you can see it. It's just right there, flat out in your face. And you have multiple confirmations of what you need to be doing. So it's just a matter of, now I can be patient. Look at that. So as I shrink the candles, you can kind of, and that's what some of you guys, I suggest you start doing. Shrink your candles down. You got your candles too big. This is how some of you guys trade. You got your candles so big until you can't really see what's going on with the whole story. So as soon as one of these big candles jump up, you jumping out to trade because this is all you see. But had you shrunk your candles out so that you can get a better glimpse of the overall story. Now you see this big old little jump candles. No, you don't jump out. Ain't nothing happening. You ain't faking me. Why? Because first of all, I know who's in control. Next, I have all my confirmations here. Let me know that this momentum, see how it dipped back down below the 100? See that? See, it jumped up temporarily, but it went right back below. Why? Because I'm not getting faked out of my trades because I know what's going on. And that's what this system does. It gives you complete confidence to understand and know what's going on so that you're not in the dark to what's going on behind the scenes with the institutional traders and the pro traders. You know what's going on. Clear as mud. That's as they say, clear as mud. So now you just wait it out. And again, there's an actual strategy. So I didn't just pick this just because of the setup. There's one other thing that I glanced at, which you'll know. And the students in my class, if you're looking at this video, by the time you look at this, you already know without a shadow of a doubt exactly why I took this trade. Okay, you know. Also, I did send this out to the signals group so that they are aware we're in this trade so that I can make my signals group money. So if you haven't joined the signals group, consider doing that as well. Okay, but I'm going to pause it and then come back. I'm so excited that I was now able to introduce it to everybody. This thing is a monster of a beast. And this is customized. Look at that. Woo! Look at there. Woo! Okay? But this is a monster. And how we coded it is different from anything out there on the market. And that's the key. Sometimes you'll see similar looking things, but it's not the same. You can build them completely different. And that's what we did. We revamped everything so that we were able to make it work in accordance with how we trade. And that's why trades are I just posted other trades just yesterday? Episode 6, take a look at that. You'll see evidence is true. And so that's why I'm taking these trades from beginning to end. So there's undeniable proof that what I'm saying, it works. And let me say one more thing. I remember, and this is where some of you guys might be. I remember I was losing trades so doggone bad. I really thought that Forex was a joke and that it was a scam and that it really wasn't real. And not the people, just the overall market. I just really thought in my head, you know what? There's absolutely no way you can win in the markets. I really thought that. I really did. And so I was so discouraged. But the problem is that I didn't have the right trading tools, which is what some of you guys are doing. You're scouring the internet, trying to find out what free indicators you can get that's either free, literally free, or somebody tried to steal them and now they offer them. And I know about all that. But the problem is, like any job, if you're out there trying to be a construction worker and yet you don't even have a hammer in your tool belt, then no wonder you can't construct a building. No wonder you can't build. You don't have a screwdriver. No wonder you can't put the walls up because you don't have the right tools. So what we do in Super Easy, not only do I teach and train every week, twice a week for hours upon hours, but I try to provide you guys with tools necessary so that you can begin to see the market for what it really is, and you're not getting faked out and they're playing you. And you can literally take trades and do like I'm about to do. I'm about to go to bed, go to sleep, rest, and wake up and see what happens. Because I have confidence in what's going on now. I know what's going on. I'm not in the dark anymore. And then you match it up with simplicity on top of that. I mean, it's just a no-brainer. Just a no-brainer. Okay? So anyway, I'll pause it. But I'm just letting you know if you're discouraged, because I was, it can happen. It can actually happen. It's real. You actually really can make money. And so let's let this parade play out. And even if it doesn't, because it's going into the weekend, so even if it doesn't hit my take profit, all we need to see is, do this go into profit? That's what we need to know. Okay. So I'll pause it here and we'll come back in a couple hours and we'll see when I wake up. Well, doggone, that didn't take long, huh? I jumped in the shower and came back out and bam, there we are. Bam, bam, bam. I'm already up pips on that one. And I'm actually in this one, the dragon as well. Let's take a look at that one. Whoa, look at there. Nice one. Nice, nice. And you'll learn this. I'll teach you how to notice and identify that one. And there we are on that one. So looking good, but this is the main one I'm recording. But I want to tell you guys something. What's beautiful, I'm so excited about this trade right here. Not only because I'm showing you guys proof that it works, but more importantly, this evening before I started recording this video, I had just got done wrapping up showing my daughter how to trade. She literally is in this trade with me, and this is her very first trade, my youngest daughter. So I'm so excited for her because I just wanted to teach my kids. One of the things you want to do is always leave a legacy for your children. A lot of parents are always trying to figure out, well, I want to leave my kids this, and they're always thinking of material goods. No. I learned this from Bishop T.D. Jakes. It's more important what you leave in their heads than what you leave in their hands. And I'm going to say that again. It's more important what you leave in their head than what you leave in their hands. You can spend your whole life trying to build something only for a foolish child to burn it up in a year. Something that took you 20 years to build, and they can tear it down in a year because they didn't have no knowledge. But if you put knowledge in their head and they learn what you did, then you've left a legacy. And so I'm very excited because two of my sons were already trading, but my daughter, this was her first time ever taking a trade. And you know what I told her? And I'm just talking, and I'll pause it, but let me say this. You know what I told her? I told my daughter, I said, for the next couple of weeks, you and I, we're going to get up and we're going to trade together. And I said, don't you attempt to learn anything else than what I'm teaching you. And she had asked, well, what about this? I said, you don't need to know. You don't need to know about that. Leave it alone. I said, that's the problem with a lot of traders. They know too much and now they're confused. I said, you're brand new to this, and I'm just going to tell you the bare minimum. And since she was able to see that we just simply lined this trade up, kept it real simple and cute, okay? Real simple and cute. See how everything just cute and lined up. Red arrow, red, 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 below the red line. And sellers were in charge. See how simple that is? I mean, come on now. That is beyond simple. And now look, I'm in 4 pairs. And you're literally seeing it drop in front of your eyes. Literally. Signals Group should be happy because they're in profit as well. Literally. See, simple trading. And so I told my daughter, you don't need all that other stuff. I don't want you to even dare ever to try to learn extra stuff. We're going to keep this game plan real simple. So anyway, I'll pause it and we'll come back. Okay, here's the conclusion. Look at there. Oh my God. It came right there to our take profit target. So I'm going to tell the Signals Group, take your profit and run. On Euro JPY, I'm doing this as I'm talking to you guys. Now, and I'm so happy I can't wait to contact my daughter because this was her first trade. And I texted my son and told him to also take this trade. And bam, look at there. Money. So anyway, more proof. See? Boom. Boom. Just straight down. It was telling you the whole time. See, and this is confidence trading. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to talk to her. Okay, you guys, I'm going to close out this video and then close out my money. Thanks.